guys, Thomas here at mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. I got another gorgeous 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, midnight black with Cortez silver stripes, sitting on a four-wheel disc American Racing torque thrust wheels with an awesome stance and nice paint, as you can see, as a mirror finish. Mind you, it's not perfect, but it's nice, okay? Very nice. Nice chrome bumpers in the rear. The bezels in the rear are very nice. Here's where you put your fuel if you didn't know. But beautiful setup with the radial TAs. Beautiful stance on the car, your rear antenna. And continuing with the beautiful mirror finish paint is really nice on the Camaro. Nice front billet grille in the front. It's got a really nice classic look to it. You got dual sport mirrors as well. There's a few things that we're gonna do to the car, which I'm gonna go over shortly with you. But just to give you an overall look on the car. The exterior of the car, as far as blemishes or paint, you know, it's not a $20,000 paint job. This is like a $6,000, $7,000 paint job that's gonna show really well, as you can see in the reflection, okay? And that's just some dust that's on the car now. But really nice finish, really nice with the Cortez silver stripes. And the interior is, you know, pretty stock. So the door jambs are nice. Door panels are nice. Door sill plates are decent. And in here, you know, we're gonna paint all this and dress this up to make it look really nice. I got brand new vertical strips that I ordered that are in stock, which we will install. There is a little wear on the bucket seat here, so just so you guys know. Upgraded with the 3-spoke aluminum, well, chrome-like steering wheel, 4-speed center console. I have a brand new center console plate that I ordered, which is here. You got the 4-gauge package. Radio's missing, but I do have it in the trunk, and we will install that. Beautiful dash pad, nice back seats, seat belt intact for the passenger and the driver side. Right. 4-wheel power disc brakes, as you can see in the rear and in the front as well. We are also adding a couple other things on the car, which I'm gonna go over with you guys shortly. Check out the passenger side door jambs. Car's from Kentucky. It is a bone dry car. Okay, let's check out the engine compartments. Here's how you open up the hood on a 68. It's right underneath this bumper, right here. Okay, let's see, right there. Up, and it pops open. All right. It's your basic 350 V8, 5.7 liter. You got, there's your power disc booster and master cylinder. The headers that are on the car, we're taking those off. Those are long tube headers, and we are installing brand new headers. And we're also installing a brand new 3-inch dual exhaust system. There's your power steering. Hoses have been changed on the car. Chrome alternator, and you got a 4-barrel carburetor with the electronic ignition system. And yes, I will fire it up so you guys can hear it. Floor pans are good on the car. I will definitely expose more pictures of the brand new dual exhaust system and the headers, along with the Flowmaster mufflers, which I'm going to show you in my video now. So we're going to take a walk back here, and I'll show you the parts that just came in. We got a lot of other nice cars here at MGMClassiccars.com for you guys to take a look at. what I want to do is walk back here to show you guys exactly where and what we do here. I mean, we fix all of our cars here in-house. But right there in a corner, there you are, my Flowmasters and the dual exhaust. Okay, so that's all here, just waiting for the long tube headers, and then we are going to get that onto the car. Here, that's an upcoming CUDA. And we work on our own cars. We find them across the country, and then I tell you all about them, okay? And fix what I think needs to be fixed. So, getting back to the 68, 10-bolt rear end. It is a posi unit, and again, beautiful mirror finish, beautiful. Let me fire this thing up for you guys. So before I do that, here's the center plate, brand new 4-speed shifter we just got in. So that's going to be installed. Here's a punch list that I have that these are the items that I'm going to take care of. I'm going to order and paint the rear end underneath. Order and install long tube headers, which we are having already. Order and install 3-inch exhaust. I'm going to paint the hood right here because it needs to be restored, this part. So I'm going to repaint the striker and the latch right there argent silver, as it should be. And then there's a few little things here as far as the rockers. We're going to take care of a couple of blisters on the car. We're going to check for any leaks. Passenger side marker light is inoperable, which we'll take care of. Horn doesn't work. Check reverse lights and brakes, which we always do. Temp, volts, and clock in op. So we're going to take care of that and bolt it down. And order, replace shifter plate, which I have. We're going to fix the glove box. It's a little loose on the car. We are going to get the dome light to work. And the verticals, like I mentioned to you guys earlier, the verticals are right there. They came in, and those will be replaced and installed. And also this weather stripping, which is all original to the car, we are replacing all of that as well. So that's that, guys. Let me fire this thing up. I want you guys to hear it, and then we are going to, man, I wish I could take you guys for a test drive like I normally do, man, but the weather here is sloppy in Illinois. It's December. All right, so let's fire this thing up. All right, like we discussed, couple pumps. Sounds good. There's your left, there's your right. Horn doesn't work, like I did mention. We will fix that as well. You got your light switch there, and the wipers do function. There's your 4-speed. Let's listen to it. It does sound pretty healthy. This exhaust is going to sound totally different. Again, we are installing a 3-inch dual exhaust Flowmaster setup on this car and putting the chrome, or should I say polished aluminum headers on the car as well. So it's going to look nicer on the engine compartment, and it's going to sound much nicer. And then this light here, we're going to replace that bulb to make sure that that works. So there's my 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, guys. I search, travel the country for these cars. That's another car being fired up back there. And then I look at about 6 or 7 of them before I even buy one, because a lot of people just lie about their cars. And I'm not one to do so. I'm going to tell you everything about it, just like I did. And I'm going to fix those things, just like I'm going to. And I'm going to deliver you a beautiful car. So this is my 1968 Chevrolet Camaro 350, power steering, power brake, 4-wheel disc, 10-bolt posi, bucket seat, 4-speed console car in very nice condition. All right, so stay tuned. I will add photos as I complete the dual exhaust Flowmaster 3-inch along with the headers as well. So if you guys need financing, let me catch my breath. Whew. It's not as easy as it looks, but your credit score is like a 630 to a 700. I can get you done with about 10% down. If your score is over 700, get you done with no money down and about a 15-minute approval. Call me, text me, get a pen. I'm going to give you my phone number shortly. Call me, text me, email me. If you're interested, if you're ready to buy the car, call me. Okay. If you have any questions, please refer to my description first. If I didn't answer those questions for you in my description, yes, give me a call. But don't call me and go, what color are those stripes? I said Cortez silver. So again, time is money, money is time. That's me. And I'm gonna sell you an honest car here at mgmclassiccars.com. As you can see, I have some beautiful cars, man. And I'm proud of the herd that I have here. They're all good cars. So again, if you need delivery, call me, text me, email me your zip code. If you need financing, we already talked about that. My number is 847-848-1850. Thank you.